Here's another cheat sheet, this time jam-packed with all the apparatus or equipment that you're going to need to know about for your practical skills and exam questions. There are 27 pieces to know, 27 images to match. Let's go. Pause and see if you can identify every single one. So first we have filter paper, which usually forms a little cone for experiments with filtration involved, and the beaker, everybody knows that one, and the funnel is quite obvious too, with the basic evaporating dish right above it, and the Bunsen burner is next. We love getting that one out and setting fire to stuff. These little orange guys are the bungs or the stoppers. Condenser, a bit trickier, just under it, that's what we cycle water through to cool down gases, usually for distillation. And of course the thermometer is easy. Did you get the wooden splints in the corner here? Then we move on to the fractional distillation column, quite recognisable, but maybe the water bath wasn't super recognisable, sneaking about there in the middle. The electric heater is probably the hardest one to recognise with that dial on it. The desiccator also might be a tough one, that's the oddly shaped bell jar looking thing. The measuring cylinder though, nice and easy, and the sieve next to it, and hopefully you all knew the pipettes at the top there, and the burette at the bottom, recognisable with the tap, which is for adding single drops at a time. The balance at the top, got the walls around it for stability, and the gas syringe over here, which has the pump and connected to a bung to make sure it's sealed. It's quite recognisable. The stopwatch and indicator, really obvious, and of course the classic chemistry conical flask. We all know that one. Maybe you didn't know the boiling flask though, which has the round bottom, and the fume hood, weird looking one, just looks like a box, but very important for safety. The test tube, classic over here, and the tripod, obvious, and finally the heatproof mat, the blank square up in the corner here. Did you know them all?